Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. This video will show you how you can set up a collection of minimum quantity rule in your Shopify store. So let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for this setup, I'm using Nex Minimum Order MOQ app. This is available from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can just check it out. So after your installation, open the app and click on the Create Rule section. So you have to give a title. Let's say like minimum quantity collection rule. Let's say like that. It could be anything, but should be a meaningful one so that you can just easily identify this from your list of rules. So next thing, you have to make sure that the rule or the setup is enabled from here, and go to the collection tab and click on collection minimum quantity and give your minimum quantity here. Let's say like 10. So which means that we have to, before that we have to select a collection. So on clicking select collection, it will show up our allowed or the available collections of lists in this box, and from here we can select any. I'm just going for the hydrogen, which has 3 products. So I'm adding this collection to the minimum quantity rule. So what this means is like the user has to purchase at least 10 of this particular hydrogen collection. Then only the user or the customer will be able to complete the purchase. Otherwise, we will be showing some error message in the checkout page. So this error message, either we can go for the customized one or the default one. So if you need any customized message, then enable this button and add that customized message over here. Otherwise, keep it disabled. The default one will be available in the checkout page. And if you need this message to be show up in the cart page itself, then you can just enable this. Otherwise, keep it disabled. Your error message or your error will be showing in our checkout page. So the setup has done. Now let's save it. Let's try to test this in our online store. So I have some products. So these 2 products are from our mentioned collection hydrogen. So there are total 3 products of hydrogen and 3 from the liquid. So in total we have 6 products. We have the rule set up for the 10 minimum quantities from the collection. So let's try this. Yeah, you can see that error message says that we have added only 6 items and we need 10 items from our mentioned collection. So let's try to add some more products. Let's say like we have to add some products from the collection. Let's try with this. So I'm adding this product to the cart. So I'm trying to buy 10 of this product. So we have 16 products in total. Now let's try to check out. You can see that the error message has gone. So that's how you can just limit the minimum quantity for your collections in your Shopify store. I hope this video is helpful for you. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.